So you're not just wasting time, you're also wasting tin.
It was only one piece. Okay, it was a ton of tin.
I'm pretty sure it's a guy eating a sandwich. I'll prove it to you.
I'm not buying you any more sandwiches, Scully.
Doing this for us.
Guys, we can't fight. That's what the horn dog wants.
We're getting close. We just need to keep testing more things.
Oh, that's a good idea. Have you tried a piece of paper? Is that your Crinkle? Ooh, maybe it's his bags of coffee beans.
All right, sir. I think you've made your point.
My point? Oh, I'm just trying to have fun by wasting time. Oh, maybe it's this crinkly yogurt.
Terry heard of Crinkle.
Hold her to Crinkle, too.
So suddenly it's not a waste of time?
Not a waste of time if we win.